Component is a drawing entity in Sketchup. When we make a change inside any copy of it, this change happens in all copies. So this is an effective feature. Distinguish component only how to make a component. There are several methods to make a component. First method. Click right mouse button in any empty space with Select tool. A small menu appears. Choose Make Component. In the definition box, write one. This will be the component definition. And click Create with the rectangle tool. Draw from the origin a square. It will be here. Then enter its dimensions, write 100, then write 100. Press Enter. Then with push ball, choose it and click on this face. One click. Then move the mouse. Make the height of this cube 100 centimeters. Press Escape or right-click and close component. Now we will apply our line tool. We will draw diagonal from this point to that. Vice versa, another one like it on this point. Click once, then click here. Then another line like this. With Move tool from large to set. And from center point in this square. We will move the point up 70 centimeters. After that, apply on another mesh. Select geometry that we want to make it component. Hold and drag with Select tool from right to left. Then right-click and choose Make Component. In definition box, write 2. Then click Create. We use component if we have more than one copy of same object, which will be placed in the model. Like some classic decorations which are same form. And there are a lot of copies of it in the model. So if you change in one copy, all the other copies will be changed.